So other bacteria help into the nitrite and nitrate, and the nitrate is finally absorbed by the plants. So all bacteria, these are organic. लेकिन हम लोग क्या कर रहे हैं? What we are doing? Due to what is a high inorganic fertilizer and all pesticides and all, we are killing those bacteria. And then soil is losing the organic minerals, organic materials. And slowly soil, due to the bad agriculture practice, soil is becoming friable. Soil क्या हो रहा है? Free होते जा रहे हैं instead of compact. एक दूसरे को, that is an organic or biota things which is available in the soil, helping in what is it? Closeness and compactness. लेकिन bad agriculture practice क्या कर रहा है? Yes, tell me. Making it friable. So two things happen. One, I said that when the rainfall is directly falling, so it is easily friable. So it is causing what? Splash erosion. What it is causing? Through the rainfall. In the mountainous region, deforestation. Soil is exposed. Splash erosion. So I said that what is happening? Bad agriculture practice, friable soil, and rainfall is causing, yes, this rainfall drop. क्या कर रहे हैं? Yes, tell me. Splash erosion. Then I said that deforestation on mountainous region exposed the soil, and it is causing, yes, tell me, splash erosion. Another, I said that there is a sheet erosion. So bad agriculture practice क्या करेगा? Soil will become friable. Bad agriculture practice, top soil become what? Friable. Top soil become friable. Then what will happen? The two things will happen. High wind and heavy rainfall. They will remove the top sheet. I said that high wind and heavy rainfall will remove top sheet of the soil. Yes or not? इसीलिए बोला जाता है कि if I have to remove this, तो यहाँ पे मुझे क्या करना चाहिए? I should do what is now? Breakers, trees, and the tree is in a part of agroforestry. जब हम agriculture कर रहे हैं तो what we should do? Agroforestry, and farmers should do. And then Mahatma Gandhi and even Modi has said that recently, if you are planting in a one tree or 5 trees or 2-3 trees, जितने भी आप करेंगे 4-5 trees आपने plant कर दिया है, and after in a gap of years, when your children become what is at the age of marriage, the marriage ceremony will be with the help of only trees. Trees can pay your marriage ceremony. ये नहीं, bribes नहीं. Only same. So I said that then agroforestry के लिए बहुत बात की जाती है. That is we can be able to correlate it. I have said starting की class से मैंने बोला everything is correlated. Every topic. Heavy rainfall and high wind. यदि breakers नहीं होंगे, this tree will act as a shelters. Yes. और इसका तो कोई तोड़ नहीं है. We have to what? Soil, bad agriculture practice होगा, soil will be friable, rainfall को you can't stop, they will take it away. Yes or not? Sheet erosion. Another erosion is, I said that, real erosion. And it is known as finger deep erosion. Reel erosion is known as finger deep erosion, and it is happening along the foothills of Himalayas. कहाँ हो रहा है? It is first foothills of the Himalayas. Second, it is happening along bad agricultural practice zone. I said that this is in Uttarakhand, this is in Himachal Pradesh, and in this zone there is a Shivalik range is there, and the rainfall is happening, and the rainfall causes development of channels of water. The rainfall causes what? Development of channels of water. And जब mountainous region में होता है, thereafter they get high kinetic energy, और high kinetic energy से they are coming down, high kinetic energy, and when they come into the plain area, in plain area, what they do? Finger deep erosion. What they do? In the plain area, what they do? Finger deep erosion. In the Chambal region also, there is 3 types of erosion in the Chambal. Reel has converted into gully, gully has been converted into ravine in the Chambal. So I said that finger deep erosion. और सपोज करो कि फिंगर डीप इरोजन इतना हुआ in the Punjab region. In which region? Here it is in what? Punjab. Next year again this finger deep erosion has been what is in a deepened. Over the period, this way the topsoil has been removed, and that become infertile. आप वहां पे कुछ भी नहीं कर सकते. What is the depth of the soil? What is the depth of the soil? 1 to 2 meter. Only this much. And if the top of the soil has been removed, the what left? Infertile soil. And you can't grow anything instead of hedge and all. Hedge you grow वहाँ होगा. So I said that this reel erosion in Punjab, Hoshiarpur district, known as Chos, or it is also called as Chos. Chos or Chos. This reel erosion in Punjab. और ये लगता है बड़ा सा नाला बन गया है, नाला टाइप. You know that it is in a big like this. And एक बार मैं इसमें फंस चुका हूँ मैं. When I was going towards Himachal, तो ट्रक वाले तो निकाल ले रहे थे, मेरा ड्राइवर भी स्मार्ट बनने की कोशिश किया, और उसमें होल होशियारपुर में पानी जा रहा था. होल होशियारपुर. That day personally I realized this phenomenon. So I said that this is reel erosion. और reel erosion एक तो कहां पे होगा? बैड एग्रीकल्चर प्रैक्टिस में सॉइल विल बी वेरी इजीली, देन दे स्टार्टेड मेकिंग शीट इरोजन में टॉप शीट रिमूव्ड. इन द रील इरोजन व्हाट हैपेंड? फिंगर डीप इरोजन टेक प्लेस. इंस्टेड ऑफ शीट व्हाट हैपेंस? चैनल ऑफ वाटर डेवलप्स, एंड दैट इज व्हाट आई सेड, दैट फिंगर डीप इरोजन. अंडरस्टूड? शीट नहीं होगा. हाँ, हाई काइनेटिक एनर्जी विल बी देयर. हाँ, तो जब हाई काइनेटिक एनर्जी और कहीं स्लोप मिल जाएगा, एंड देन दे स्टार्टेड व्हाट? मेकिंग इट टू erode it. Another I said that, so we have seen which erosion is splash, sheet and reel. Splash, sheet and reel. Another I said that gully erosion. And then in India, this gully erosion, it is in Beas River in Punjab, Yamuna River in western UP, in Gujarat, this is Tapi, Narmada, Mahi, Sabarmati. These three rivers are making in this Gujarat region gully erosion. Punjab, Beas. In MP and Rajasthan, this is I said that कि यमुना जा रहा है and its tributaries, you know that Chambal. Yes, Yamuna tributaries, Chambal is there, and this Chambal has, I said, one river Banas, and there is a Parbati and Kali Sindh. So which are the reason I said that? Beas in Punjab. Second, I said that Yamuna in western UP. Third, I said that Tapi, Narmada, Mahi and Sabarmati in Gujarat. Fourth, I said that Chambal and its tributaries, Banas as left bank tributary, Parbati and Kali Sindh as a right bank tributary. In the region of MP and Rajasthan, they are doing gully erosion. Clear? So let's see how do the gully erosion is happening. Shall I remove? आप पूरे अच्छे से मैप्स ऑफ इंडिया बनाकर करेंगे. If I talk about, it is in a big and large channel of water. Eroding deeper into valley, into a small valley form. और इसका वैली डेप्थ 2 to 3 मीटर. इसका मतलब 2 आदमी इसके अंदर घुस सकते हैं. 1 मीटर हाइट एक आदमी का लगभग होता है. Depth of this valley is and you can be able to see like suppose this is in a Chambal river is crossing और यहाँ पर क्या है and the most bad agriculture practice. When the Chambal river is moving and when the flood comes in the Chambal river, what happens? the channel of water started moving here and there during the flood. During flood, channel of water started moving down the slope, and when they move, they erode deeper. How much deeper? How much deeper? 2 to 3 meter, and they develop a feature like राजस्थान में हो नहीं सकता है. वाई नॉट इन राजस्थान? नीचे में क्या है? क्ले. और आपने देखा होगा इसको चंबल वैली. यस और नॉट? ऐसा रहेगा. और ये क्यों डेवलप हुआ? वाई? रिवर यहां से मूव किया, इरोड किया. दिस रीजन हैज बीन इरोडेड. ऑल दिस रीजन हैज बीन इरोडेड एंड लिव बिहाइंड दिस फीचर. दिस इज नोन एज gully. Now, if I am talking about gully over long period of